I'm Prashant Agarwal. I'm from Bosch Power Tools. Bosch Power Tools is a leading power tool manufacturing company in India, and we established this is our very important year because we are going to complete our 30th year this year. So we are celebrating it, and we are regularly participating in INDOMACH like exhibition. Last year also we participated along with the same our one of the biggest dealer, Mrs. Salazar Trade Concern. Sorry. So today also I will go through that lot many innovative, affordable and cost-effective products are there, which we will show you. And we will start from our one of the innovative product, which is GSH 14C, which is nothing but a kind of demolition hammer. In this category, it's a first tool which we launched in under EC motor. So this is a brushless motor. So I'll just take you to this product. Itself kind of innovation, complete innovation. First of all, it's a vibration-free machine. So the fatigue to the user who is using this machine, we are like Bosch is taking care those safety hazard also. So health and safety. Number two, this is a 1750 watt machine which gives approximate 2800 impact energy. So you will not get such features in such compact machine. And the price is also you will find very affordable in terms of the brand which has established more than 100 years in world. So this is the first tool which we would like to give you. This is heavy duty and 1 year warranty. Bosch is providing standard warranty for all the products. But on top of it, if you register yourself in under BICO, you will get 6 months extended warranty. So basically this product is for one and a half year warranty.
It will come along with the Bluetooth connectivity through which we can get connected to our Bluetooth and we can see how much performance it is going and what is the working hours and when it is required our servicing. Preventive maintenance is required. It can be connected through the Bluetooth and will come to know. And it is very handy. 14 kgs weight. Along with 14 kgs weight, it gives 1900 blows per minute, which will be very helpful in the breaking of concrete. It can break up to M40 grade concrete, and it does have this vibration reduction arrangement, so that fatigue is going to be much lesser for the user.
We are coming to the cordless tool, which are very innovative products. Again, the cordless is the future. If you see, the entire world is going towards cordless because these are just because of convenience, and those are equally like powerful as our corded tools are. Some of the very innovative products are like GDX machine. You can see this GDX machine is having double impact. So this is working as an impact wrench as well as impact driver, screwdriver and drill driver. So all put together, multiple application via one machine. So if you see, all our machines are 18 volt basically, and if you see that every machine is having LED function, so it will be used as a illumination. You can see that these are the blower. So it's hardly like the entire set of with battery with chargers available at more approximate 12,000 13,000 rupees. If you see the power of this blower, it is really, you will find very convenient to blow the dust out from the. If you see, it's very handy 4-inch, 5-inch angle grinders we have from cordless range. These are all brushless motor. So again, is maintenance, approximate maintenance free, I can say, because brushes are not there, which are the main kind of maintenance is required for any of the machine. And now if you see, these are the batteries are also with one platform only. We are not having multiple platform of 14-inch or 24 volt or 36 volt. We are having entire platform with respect to 18 volt, and that's what the standardization Bosch has did. So whatever machine you are taking with 14 volt segment, you can have the entire 18 volt. Any of the battery can be fit to any of the two. That is the flexibility what Bosch is giving. This small hand sander, palm sander, I can say. So that is also a new range which has been incorporated last year only. If you see this GTB, this is GRG 18-16C. So such kind of rivet gun also comes under cordless range, which are giving 14,000 Newton kind of impact. So even this Pro Pruner also came. This will used basically for the pruning application. So a stem till the dia of 25 mm can be cut easily from this tool.